Hey guys, welcome back to another channel, and it is Sunday, July 4th, and we're watching at fireworks.
You see it?
No, I didn't see it.
I see lights.
Oh, I can see one. Oh, yeah, I saw one,
Okay.
but it was kind of good. I didn't saw the whole thing, but the tree is blocking the way.
Yeah, it's not fair. I wish we got. Can we chill?
So,
Cool.
a little bit. Wait, guys. Whoa, you guys saw that? I saw green and red, I think. What was that? What the heck?
Could be over there, right here, or right here.
Yeah, I saw your arm.
I think I'm watching Jesus.
I wish I could zoom in. Look at everyone. I really want to see that sunlight. Like we're somewhere.
Whoa!
Oh, I saw a little bit red.
Oh, you guys catch that?
Yeah. I think hit the like
2?
no, like 10 like.
Please?
Yep. Whoa. Ooh, that was a good one. That scared me. Whoa, why is everything blue? Ooh, I saw it a little bit. I saw a little bit red. I see you guys later. Bye.